Hello, my name is Eder Sanchez from Mezcal Agua Santa, and today we're going to be making a Black Paloma featuring Fever Tree and Mezcal Agua Santa. So the first ingredient is going to be a grapefruit sherbet, which utilizes all of the parts of the grapefruit, including the grapefruit zest, the grapefruit pulp, and grapefruit juice. And then we're going to use acidulated grapefruit juice so that we reduce waste and we don't have to use lime juice. We have put malic and citric acid into grapefruit juice as well as activated charcoal. The citric and malic acid will mimic the acidity of lime juice just so that we will reduce waste behind the bar. And we're going to use Mezcal Agua Santa. We're going to have a glass rimmed with maguey worm sauce, which is often enjoyed besides drinking mezcal. Fever Tree grapefruit.